Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to improve your audio quality in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, right-click your audio clip and select the normalize audio levels. Under Mode, choose the appropriate option. Set the level to -3 and loudness to -15, then click Normalize. Next, click the plus symbol, then select Channel, then choose the vocal channel. Enable high pass, and set the value to 130. Now modify the equalizer settings. Set low frequency to 150 and low gain to 8.4. And for high frequency, set the value to 6400 and high gain to 6. Finally, enable compressor, then set the threshold -20 and ratio to 4. And there you go. The audio should now sound clearer and more professional. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.